Hello buddies, I'm Navneet and today we will talk about the GSAP, which is recently in news. The full form of GSAP is the Government Security Acquisition Program, which is a program by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So remember that why it is in news. So recently today in the Hindu newspaper that the government securities for an aggregate amount of 20,000 crore will be purchased by the RBI under the Government Securities Acquisition Program. So remember that actually what is the government security acquisition program, and we will discuss also what is the logic why this program was launched and what want to achieve RBI, what want to achieve through this government security acquisition program. So remember that it is actually a time to time purchase of the government security through the open market operations. Time to time means periodically in the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter or fourth quarter it may be, or in maybe in month. So it is a purchase of the government security. So what is the open market operation? Open market operation is basically a purchasing and selling of the government securities. So when they want to increase the liquidity, actually they purchase the government securities and increase the money supply and put the money supply into the market. And if they want to suck out the excess liquidity from the market, then they buy the government bond. So this is what the open market operation. So what is the difference between the open market operation and the government security acquisition? There is although no difference. Only the difference between the government security acquisition program and open market operation is that basically open market operation there will be nothing will come in the media, and as well as so RBI even not tell the market how they are buying, when they are buying. The open market operation or purchasing or selling of government securities will take place. So in the government SAP program, actually they already tell the market that on this days we will purchase or we will sell the government security. So it actually gives the comfortability to the bond market or basically in the market, so they can prepare for this purchase or sell of the government security. Now let's talk about the logic behind this step. What actually the RBI forced to take this step means the government security acquisition program. So the first, as you know, in the budget announced by this government, and actually the 12 lakh crore, so means the 12 lakh crore will be borrowed by the government in this fiscal year 2020. So to actually if the government is buying at the high interest, then they have to pay the heavy interest to the market. So to decrease that interest rate on the purchasing of the government, or when the government will borrow from the market, so this step has been taken. So basically to artificially change the interest rate. Another is very important, to decrease the bond yield or the bond returns in the market. So what is the bond yield? So whenever you purchase a government security, you got a fixed amount of return on that government security. That is the bond yield. So to increase the bond yield, because when the government announced that we will purchase or we will borrow the 12 crore from the market, then the bond yield means the return will be the very and rise sharply. So to this rise sharply, so when this rise sharply, so to return, so this return, to decrease this return, the government has taken this step, and that's why the government security acquisition program. Now what want to achieve through this government security acquisition program? Remember that to avoid the volatility in the government security, sometimes there is a sharp rise, sometimes decline. To that fluctuation need to decrease, and that's why this step is taken, and the upfront commitment for purchasing the bonds. So this is the basic objective which RBI want to achieve through this government security acquisition program. Now we will talk about the significance. So first significance is that it will reduce the aggregate cost for borrowing for a state and union means the central government. So remember that how this is will decrease the aggregate cost of borrowing. As you know, interest rate will go down. So that's why, and now the center and the state will have to pay less interest when they are borrowing from the market. So remember this. But it is not for the individual. Individual is not good. How individual is not good? Let's say if your savings is 100 rupees and now you are getting at least 6% interest. So because of this government app, now we will got the 4% interest, or let's say 5% interest. So now you have to got you need around 106 rupees, but because of this government SAP program you will get the 105 rupees. So there is a decrease of 1 rupee. So it will, although aggregate cost of borrowing will be reduced for the government, but for the individual consumer and individual borrower, and what they are keeping their deposits in the bank accounts, for the getting more interest, so that is not good for the individual. Remember that it will provide a comfort to the bond market. So this is the major difference between the government SAP and open market operation, because it will provide a already information that we will purchase and sell. And remember that a comfortable liquidity condition, because if the government will purchase, then they will provide the money or money supply in the market. So this will increase the liquidity access. So this is all about the government securities acquisition program. What things you need to remember, that basically what is the logic or the rationale. So rationale, basically if the government will borrow around the 12 lakh crore borrow, so there will be interest rate. So government have to pay more interest rate. So in order to that interest rate, the government security acquisition program is launched. So this is, so what will then, what is the objective, basically to provide the comfortability to the bond market. What will achieve through it will reduce the aggregate cost in the economy for the center and the state. So this is all about the government security acquisition program. Thank you guys, hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.